What's up people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you 3 amazing
embodiment of life, work, and entertainment. Victor.
Using this smart pen, you can write with any color. This smart pen can scan objects, color, and then make the color combination of the objects. And also it has many features, so take a look.
It lets you borrow the colors around you and allows you to use the world as your inspiration. Just scan and start creating. It works by using a special color sensor to read the colors you scan, and a smart pump mixes and dispenses the colored ink. And with the Scribble Smart Stylus, the colors you scan will sync up with your smart devices via Bluetooth. With Scribble, the world is your palette. Scribble also helps you organize the colors in your home. With the app, you can know exactly what colors you scan and save them for later inspiration. Now, every room will be in perfect harmony. Scribble is your personal fashion advisor. Your looks will always be in sync, no matter the occasion. From your clothes to your makeup. So you can walk out with confidence. With Scribble, you can draw for as long as you want, because the ink cartridges are refillable and each lasts up to 30 miles of drawing. Scanning is simple and fast, so you can capture those colors in an instant. Plus, Scribble lets you store your own customized library of colors. And the Smart Stylus lets you apply your colors to Photoshop or your smart devices. And the mobile app lets you access your colors from anywhere, so the possibilities are limitless. With Scribble, you don't just capture colors for yourself, but also to share them. And nothing is more satisfying than a successful collaboration. The world is made of wonderful colors. And now, you have them all at your fingertips. So it's time for you to scribble.
Number 2. Matte Gauge AR Scanner Glass.
Hey, are you guys coming over?
Yeah, we're around. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay. Experience augmented reality. Experience the powerful interaction between you, your glasses, and the environment. Become one. This is a true embodiment of life, work, and entertainment. Victor.
Number 1. Pop Scanner.
Situations. Paper will always be best for unleashing our creativity. And sometimes we just need technology. Choosing between paper and computer is a matter of context. Today, we can have the best of both worlds. The Pup is the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The Pup is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The PUP allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The PUP is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The PUP is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The PUP brings you closer to the ones you love. The PUP can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The PUP comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image. The PUP is your nomad companion. It follows you everywhere. It takes care of everything and lets you focus on what really matters to you. The PUP will bring you new creative scenarios every day, so you can stay up to date with your favorite networks. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. They can all be reached in one click. It will even help you import your documents into Word and Excel.
We are proud to introduce PubScan. We've been working for 18 months with a serious team of engineers and designers. We worked hard. We have created a lot of prototypes to offer you a unique experience and made the scan available to everyone. Thank you for backing us on Indiegogo to make PubScan a reality.